Good morning, it's Crafty Traveler, and today is Tuesday, 18th. I got an email this morning from Arizona State Parks saying that the park that I was going to go to tomorrow has been closed. Cave Canyon State Park, just north of Sedona. So I'm kind of scrambling to find a spot to camp for at least 3 nights. I went to the front office today at this campground and I can stay one more night. She said I could stay more if I wanted to, but I just reserved one more night. So I'll be here all day tomorrow and one more night. So now I'm going to go to Sedona and look around for dispersed camping areas around Sedona. So that's my tour today. Come on along. Hello, you have found my channel, The Crafty Traveler. My name is Lonnie, and I am a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I'm saying goodbye to my husband for the next 4 months as I travel across country with my little schnauzer Snickers. We're traveling in my Mini Winnie and towing my Honda. Come and subscribe to my channel and follow our adventures. Thanks for watching. I just have a couple questions.
Okay, I have a couple answers.
Good. I guess Cave Canyon RV park or campground is closed.
Cave.
Is it
Cave Springs?
Cave Springs.
Yes, still closed.
Yeah, I got an email. I was supposed to be there tomorrow.
Yeah, so the bridge has quite an extensive
damage. Yeah. I'm checking out dispersed camping areas south of Sedona. Since Cave Springs is closed because they had a flooding over the bridge and damaged the bridge. They won't be opening that till like Friday or Saturday, and by then I won't need a place. So this is the first dispersed camping area I looked at. It's south of Sedona on 890A, and there's a sign that says Sedona Car Club. And so I came up here, and it is rather rough. I was very slow with my little car. It would take going very slow with the RV. There's only 2 spots here that would probably be okay for my RV. But I was talking to a young man, and he suggested some other places that might be easier to get into. So I'm sitting here with Snickers, eating some lunch, and admiring the view, and we'll press on. Here's the view I'm looking at while eating my lunch. The weather's really nice. It's only like 68 degrees and there's a little breeze. Very sunny and beautiful. I would love to camp up here where I can see this view. I'm gonna look around, see what I can find. Well, Snickers and I made it back to camp. I wanted to let you know about what happened during the day. First, we went to Sedona and went to the visitor center, and the gentleman there gave me 3 maps and gave me locations of different BLM dispersed camping areas. And I drove to one and ventured up that road, and I pulled off just below that area to eat some lunch and saw some beautiful scenery. But I was getting tired and it was getting late, and I decided that we'd just come on back home. So I didn't look for any other dispersed camping areas. I'll show you the maps he gave me. This is the first map he gave me, and Sedona is here, and Road 89A is here, where he told me to drive down. On this map, Sedona's here, and the road goes along like that. And this final map is more of the close-up of the actual areas, and he was able to circle them. This is the area I did go and see, but I just felt I didn't want to do that because I was tired. But it's 364. Oh, the Sedona Car Club is, there's a sign just as you come towards this that says Sedona Car Club. And that's how I recognize this one. As I drove back, I didn't find these areas, but I wasn't really looking at the mile markers. So there's lots of dispersed camping, but I just couldn't find it. So I'm still looking for a campground for the next 4 nights. When going through Oak Creek Canyon, I did see where Cave Springs Campground Road was, and there was all kinds of trucks there. I'm sure they're working on the bridge. One of the ladies I saw at the hiking trail area I drove through, she said her trailer was parked there, and 2-3 days ago, a foot of water was going over that bridge. So they had to come and get the workers with big trucks to take them to work and back. And she still says she's not able to cross that with her car. They hope to have it open by Friday, but I need something before Friday. So I'm still looking. It was a beautiful day and sunshiny, and the scenery was beautiful, which is what I got a lot of on this video. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Bye now. Stay tuned for my next video when I go to Arizona to see the animals there, including some bears. Thanks for watching. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe in Arizona. Bye now.